Hi, everybody. This is Alan Fine, and I'm here with Sylvia Ferrer, who's the Director of Marketing and Public Relations for Fairmont, Mayakoba. We are here for ILTM, and we're going to talk about something. If you know the hotel, you're going to learn something new. If you don't know the hotel, you're going to learn a lot that's new here on Insider Travel Report. We are standing in something that's new. So the travel advisors that think they know the Fairmont Mayakoba, they don't know this. So tell us about it.
Oh, Fairmont Mayakoba is an absolutely beautiful place. It has 401 rooms, 600 acres in this region, and it was built a long time ago, but this is a time where we had to have a renovation. So everything that you will see in Mayakoba right now, specifically in Fairmont, has been renovated.
Really, really? Okay, but this now is the beach club. Tell us about that.
Oh my God, Beach Club here is the hottest place in town right now. And that's how I feel it because of how I see the people here. The name of it is Maicana. It is a beautiful, beautiful experience that has 5 culinary options for you. So we actually focus those culinary options in the elements of the world. Mm-hmm. So the ones that we know of, all of us know of, which is air, which is water, which is fire, which is ether or heaven, as people may call it. Mm-hmm. So those are the elements that we use for this particular place.
So that it inspired the decor and the menus as well?
Yes, absolutely.
Let's go around. So which one do you want to talk about first? Or here?
Yes, we're going to start here with Gaia. Gaia is Mother Earth for us. So this particular restaurant gives you a seafood experience. And the reason why it's earth is because we know that 70% of the earth is water. So water is where you're going to get all this food from. Right. That's why we call it Gaia. The second one is the one outside of this, which is the breezes area. The breezes will give you air. The wind is going to come to you, so it's going to be absolutely fantastic. And then the other area that is absolutely beautiful is the one outside. So we have aqua, and that gives you water, a water experience. So we have beautiful cabanas, private cabanas surrounded by a beautiful pool. You can have you can have snacks there, you can have, wine, set everything up for you to enjoy during the day.
Right.
And that's 3, exactly. So we have another one, which is fire. So fire is fuego, is outside of this area, is still part of it, and it will give you a grill experience. So it's an amazing barefoot experience. You're going to be there sitting in front of the beautiful Caribbean and having a fantastic time.
So now, how new is this?
It is recently new, so we just opened. There's one missing piece, which is the rooftop. And the rooftop is to die for. It is an amazing rooftop, and that's the one that we call cielo. So cielo is the sky, is where you actually have, heaven is above you. So that's why we call it cielo. And that is only for drinks and to have a fantastic time in the evenings. So we have a magnificent area. So we have about 5 places where you can just gather people around. We have fire pits in the middle, and then we have water surrounding you. So it's beautiful.
And so that's just about finished. We'll show it to them, but they'll understand where it's coming.
Yes, you're going to love it. So you have to come and visit us and see it.
Okay. That's great, but let's now review and give the big picture. For those travel advisors who don't know about Fairmont Mayakoba, what's the F&B like?
Oh my God, we have 15 culinary experiences at this area, in this particular place at Fairmont Mayakoba. So one of them...
That's not including the beach club?
That's including...
Oh, including you. So let's go.
5 here, and there's other ones around. So one that is, for me, one of my favorites, and that's my personal favorite, is La Laguna. La Laguna is a Mexican restaurant, but what I like about that place is that you have an outside experience. You have a water canal around the restaurant, and then we have some terraces where you can actually have your family in the evening having just family-style dinner lit up, a fantastic view of the lagoon and the mangrove around. So whenever you go there, you have an outside patio. We have a large terrace, and you have family-style dinners that you can have there. A lot of lighting around, very romantic. It's absolutely amazing.
Okay, next.
The next one will be Bassano, an Italian restaurant. So it's in the middle of the resort. So you can, it's it's a very easygoing place because we have a pool in front of it. So a lot of people just want something quick, a snack. You know, we have a place where you can have pizzas and they're just cooked right there.
Right.
So that's another one.
Okay, next.
Then we have Hish Bar and Lounge, which is the lobby. So that is a place where you can have fantastic drinks, and then you can also have a sushi. So the sushi experience is at Hish. We also have a restaurant, which is a small palapa, which is Key Bar on the right side of the hotel by the beach. And that's a culinary experience that is only for 11 people. So you have to reserve on time because it's not easy to get a
But
seat.
anyone can reserve. You don't have to be.
Anybody can
You don't have to be in the
reserve.
top
Yeah,
suite to
it's
get it.
Korean barbecue. So for anyone who is into Korean barbecue, then that's the place to go. So that's another experience that we have on property. Then we have a beautiful, beautiful experience with a steakhouse. Our newest steakhouse is Tauro, the name of the restaurant. And that one is located by the lobby. So first level. And it has a great view of the resort. So it's absolutely amazing. So for anybody who is into steak, oh my God, that's the place to be. Very, very nice. And well, there's other experiences, but those are more theme experiences. We have a Mexican market that we have in the middle of the resort, and we have it based on occupancy. So if you are during high occupancy during this time of the year, or just probably at the end of,
Pops up.
yeah, this is a pop-up. It's beautiful. It's a Mexican market that we put together. So that's another experience that we have. We also have at the beach, sometimes we have some beach experiences. We have an agave experience on a boat. So you go on a boat. You can actually have the boat tour. It's complimentary. And then you have an agave experience where you can be sitting, eating, and drinking. Okay. And then cooking classes where you can actually cook your food and then you can eat it at the same time. So
I'm sure you're going to learn local recipes.
yes, a lot of it. So we'll give you a recipe and we'll give you several ones as well because a lot of people ask for them.
How many rooms did you say you have?
We have 401 rooms.
And how many have been renovated?
Oh my God, most of them have been renovated. Our anticipation full renovation will be completed by the end of the year, but we're almost at that level. So we're very glad to see
What are
that.
some of the changes?
All the rooms will be completely renovated. So we're taking everything apart and we're just putting a nicer lighting. We're putting everything, the furniture, everything's been renovated. So it's more of a minimalistic type of look and feel.
Got it.
The textures are highly important for us. So we want textures to be incorporated in the rooms. We also want to make you feel that you are an extension of the outside area. So the actual
Nature comes in.
Exactly. So the actual area that you have within your room is going to be completely changed, and you're going to feel it right away. Like you're facing the window because we want you to see what's outside.
And the digital people, the guests, they'll have all the electronic connections they need.
Yes, absolutely. In fact, we do have an application. It's called Status. It's a Fairmont application. So what we do is we give you all the information that you need to know while you're here on property.
For Android and for iPhone.
Yes. Activities, all kinds of activities will be there as well listed. So whenever you come here, you are full with information, and then you can do whatever you want to do.
What are some of the activities that are that separate this hotel from others?
Oh my God, there's a lot of activities at this property. So starting from sea activities. So you can actually, we have non-motorized activities. You have kayaks, you have, a lot of things here, like any other beach area. We also have motorized activities like, jet skis. We have diving experiences. We have a yacht that you can actually rent, which is in high demand. Paddleboarding. So we have a lot of activities. We also have inline activities, and we have right now tennis. We have golf. So all kinds. We have.
And what about for the kids?
For the kids, we have 2 amazing kids club.
So who's the audience for this? It's multi-gen?
Yes. And what's interesting about the people that are coming to the resort is that we have seen lately younger couples with small kids coming to our resort, and before it was more of a mid 45, I would say, someone 45 plus with kids. Now it's 35 plus with kids is what we are
This is
experiencing.
since the
more.
pause?
Yes. And I think it has to do with the new generation and social media. A lot of social media influencers are sharing information about new destinations, and we do have a lot of influencers that come to the property. So they are sharing a lot of things that people are not aware of.
Influencers, but not as influential as you guys, okay? Travel advisors who actually sell.
Absolutely. And then we have, as we were just talking about, ILTM is one of those amazing events that bring all the travel advisors to the property that will share this information with their people. And that's how we get all these great bookings.
There's so much. How can travel advisors learn more and get involved and get in direct?
Fairmont.com/Mayakoba, and then you'll find our website. And then within our website, you can actually go into our blog. In our blog, there's information about our STEP program for travel advisors, which gives you amazing benefits, such as breakfast for the people that they book, and upgrade based on availability, $100 resort credit, and then check-in and late checkout if needed based on availability as well.
Okay, so there's reason to actually work with you because you get a lot more benefit, a lot more amenities. That's great.
That is correct. And then we do have special commissions for those travel advisors that are a little bit higher than the normal. So you'll find out once you get there.
Okay. Well, any advice to travel advisors right now as they're now starting to come out and get overworked?
Yes. Come to Mayakoba. Fairmont is your place to be.
Thanks for talking.
Thank you so much for everything.
This is Alan Fine for Insider Travel Report.